Claude just launched Sonnet 4.6, and let me tell you why this is super important for professionals and business owners. Plus, I've tested it out for you so you don't have to. It is already at the top of the leaderboard when it comes to office work, and that is due to improved computer use. So basically anything you can do as a human, typing on the computer, clicking on things, it can do as well. It can do this faster and cheaper than Opus 4.6. But better quality, some people have said yes. I disagree. The other point to make is that it can now run parallel subtasks where you give it an instruction like prepare everything I need for next week's quarterly business review. Previously, you would have had to babysit it and everything had to be done in sequential order. So this task had to be done first and then that, then this, then that, which takes a lot longer. But now less of your input is needed and it can all be run in parallel and save you time. For example, you give it one instruction like prepare everything I need for next week's quarterly business review. It will break down all those tasks into subtasks and run them all in parallel. So for example, it may need your sales analysis, computer intel, slide deck, talking points, and executive summary. Running that all together and then finally giving you the finished deliverables. Which, by the way, this whole doc was created by Opus 4.6. But when you compare it to Sonnet 4.6, this is what it gives you. Now, the design is much nicer, but the analogies and the explaining is not as good as Opus 4.6. That's just my opinion, but a lot of people do prefer Sonnet 4.6. Apart from the agentic side, it now has 1 million tokens in context window, which means you could upload a 500-page contract and it will digest that. And it is now the default model for free and pro users. Watch the next video because I'm going to show you what it can do in PowerPoint and Excel.